Hi guys, and now we're going to Target. There is the food RJ, the burger. Hi, we're in the store buying this one, compressor. Compressor. And there is the price. Where's now the price? Of no price here. Can I see the price? There is 59.
It's 30.
And have a coupon 39 now. Have sale. There is. $49. It's so big, huh? By Daddy for sprinkler.
It's a light work, like painting.
Huh?
Spray painting.
Ah.
And tire, fill up tire.
And here is. We buy now the compressor. RJ.
The hose too.
And the hose there is, and the other
Come on, dude. Attachment kit.
attachment.
For various things.
Yep. And there is the store, harbor. There we buy quality tools. There's RJ. Where are you riding there?
I'm a horse rider.
Horse rider. Okay. That's it, guys. Hi guys, and now we're going to Target.
Buy a Christmas
What did you buy, RJ?
a Christmas tree.
Look at her here.
That's a puppy right off the house.
So bright. Oh my God, so bright,
Like
RJ.
a house in the car.
We buy the Christmas tree because almost now the Christmas air compressor there is. It just been in harbor freight.
Harbor freight.
Yep, RJ. And we're going to Target. Let's see if we can found a Christmas tree there.
Maybe it's not out yet.
Maybe have now.
Halloween's over, so all the Christmas stuff's coming out.
Yep, It's already done the Halloween yesterday. Okay guys, here comes the Target.
What happened to Toys R Us?
It's closed, the Toys R Us, RJ.
What if they were open?
Cars, so many cars. In America, mostly car. Only few motorcycle. Because it's winter, it's so cold. If you motorcycle, you just drive motorcycles. Yeah. Where's the
Oh,
Target? Oh, what's
it's a
that
Halloween
there?
store.
Oh, Halloween now. The Toys
buy
R Us
costumes next
before. RJ? See that?
They're only open for like a month.
Yeah, Halloween store na. Yep. And
Oh,
there
what's up?
is the
Furniture place.
Target.
Look, Bill's mattress. Everything must go.
Yep.
Furniture too.
There it is.
Go on me.
Target.
That thing. On that thing, you know what happened?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Look in the back.
Okay, let's go to inside. Here he is, RJ. We go to Target now. Here's RJ. You see that RJ? What you doing? Oh, that RJ. There's RJ. Careful the cars, RJ. Hey, go. Go, have no car. Okay, we go inside now. There it is. Where's the wipes? Where's the wipes, RJ? Have no more wipes. We're going to Christmas trees, RJ. See this? What's that, RJ? There is the Christmas tree. Wow, all is empty here.
It's too early. Go back next week.
At this Christmas tree. So tall, look at the... So tall that honey. Only small honey.
Good enough. Okay, get it.
Wait, where did we get that?
Price is high.
This small tree. This honey.
$200?
Yes, expensive. At this
This
price.
is the goodest one ever.
This price is 100. My goodness. The small one is $180. It's expensive tree, huh? This tree.
This is the tallest tree I know.
Yeah. Yeah. 120.
This is the tallest tree.
Have 300 at RJ. Look
Mommy,
at the price.
this
Yeah.
is the tallest tree I ever saw.
Yeah. It's nice. Color RJ. Look like a snow. So expensive, Anya.
Can't find the price. Can you?
Just waiting for almost Christmas. That
What's the price?
cheap.
Where'd they put the prices?
Yes, have tag here.
Look at
Made in China.
it. A and B.
A.
No price.
Yeah.
It's too early. They gotta fix it.
There's RJ. He's climbing. RJ climbing. There he is.
I think this is small.
As you can see, RJ.
Right stool. Same table. Look.
Hi guys, I'm here. Come here, RJ. Here, RJ, come here. You take picture. Yay! What you doing, RJ? Don't do that. RJ, we're not ninja. We're here in Target. And there's RJ looking for Christmas tree. So expensive. Okay.
Nobody that bothers me.
Hi guys. And now we going to the car now. We not buy a Christmas tree because we decide that it's so A lot of money. It's so expensive. And just maybe just look at in Walmart if have cheaper there. Here again in malls. We're going to the malls.
I'm going Moe's.
Dinner
Comment
for
who
Daddy.
is Spider-Man and Black Panther.
There you go.
Where is Cap?
Daddy and RJ buying a dinner for tonight. I just waiting here, guys. I'm lazy to get out, so cold. Cold now here in Utah. RJ, have food now. There is RJ. Okay guys, we're going to McDonald's now. We buy a RJ dinner, the burger. That's the favorite RJ food, burger. And then after we going to Walmart, we look at 3 again if have cheaper there or not. Because Target is so expensive. $90 is
For a small tree.
4.5
Foot.
pot. It's super expensive, huh?
Yes, I'd like to get 6 hamburgers. Make them all plain. Right.
Nice show you.
1 medium fry.
Anything else you like?
That's it.
Okay, it's supposed to be 856 for the first one.
A lot of people there waiting.
Ready to check the burgers.
RJ is fit there. Look at that, RJ.
Hi.
Are you hiding there?
Yep.
Fit RJ.
It's nice to be small sometimes.
Yeah.
Wish I could do that. It's benefit to being small.
And bass.
We're waiting for burger RJ there.
I'm hot.
Still cooking. There is the food RJ, the burger. Here's RJ like is plain burger. It's plain, ano?
Is it plain? Okay.
What?